Hi guys, I'm not going to waste a lot of time talking. I'm at the range, 300 blackout. This ammo is supposed to be match grade ammo, so even though it appears to be a hollow point, the hole in the end of the metal jacket is actually where the lead supposedly is filled into the bullet from, and that's what gives it its uniformity and makes it supposedly more accurate. Match grade ammo is supposed to be the best factory ammo you can get for accuracy. And for me, it's been very accurate. Got a target at 100 yards. Got my steel silhouette. I've got an old motorcycle helmet sitting on top of it. It's a modular full face helmet. Just for giggles, I'm gonna put a few rounds into the helmet, into the steel silhouette that it's sitting on, and then there's a paper target just to the left of that at 100 yards, and I'll put some rounds there too. So this is just me being silly, so enjoy. Go with a paper target first. Okay, just a tad bit high, looks like. I'm going to go for right in the middle of the face shield of the helmet. It hit, but I just can't see where. We'll try one of the steel plate and see where it's ending up at. Okay, it definitely hit the plate because it rocked the helmet forward into full view for me. So, go right for the top of the dome. So put a couple in the helmet and then hit the target, hit the steel target, knocked it off. And that's right dead center of the target. Go back to 100 yards of the paper target for a couple. That's 10. All right. Let's go down range and see what we got. The paper target was already up and had 4 or 5 holes in it, so I'm not concerned about that so much. But what I was hitting at steel looks like it was dead on. around here, around here. 2 rounds right there. So you can exit here. And the action of the helmet seems somewhat damaged. Put it back up, take a few more shots.